Right. This is the general format of the bank reconciliation statement. So again, that format also you need to remember for the exams. So you start with the adjusted cash book balance. That means 19,500. You take it here. You start with the adjusted cash book balance. You take that here. So balance as per adjusted cash book. So it came balance as per the adjusted cash book is 19,500. That means this balance, right? So this is the balance as per adjusted cash book. Then you do the adjustments, pluses and minuses. Then you do the adjustments here. Then finally, once you do the adjustments here, your answer should be here. Your answer should be balance as per the bank statement. Here, balance as per bank statement. This is your final answer. It's given here. How much is the balance as per the bank statement? This is the balance. 12,500. This is the balance as per bank statement. How much the answer should be? Answer should be 12,500. Right? If you do the question correctly, your answer should be 12,500. So we'll see what are the adjustments coming here. So the things that were circled in the adjusted bank statement, things that was uh, circled in the statement, we have taken to adjusted cash book. What are the things that we took? Items that was not that was ticked in here. What are the things we took? Items that was circled in the bank statement was taken to adjusted cash book. Then left out only three. So we learned there are three errors, the omissions, the other one is due to time differences. So here you can see there are two. One is unrealized checks, then the other one is unpresented checks 5,000. So here unpresented check you need to plus it here. It will be added unpresented check. How much is the check value? Unpresented checks you are having here 5,000. That is rent. That is rent check. Rent check. That is 5,000. So unpresented checks I need to add here. Then and there is one more unrealized check. This is the checks. So 2,000, 12,000. That will be deducted. So minus here unrealized check. It's 12,000. Right. Then, so 5,000 will be added here. We'll see whether the answer comes. So here 5,000 will be added and 12,000 will be deducted. So final answer should be 12,500. We'll see whether it's coming. If you do the question correctly, yeah, 12,500 should come. This is how the bank reconciliation question will be doing in the exams. Remember, this is the way you should do, right? So if the examiner is asking to identify reasons for the difference, you tick each other, then identify the reasons. Then if the examiner is asking you to prepare the adjusted cash book, this is the way you do, right? So items that are not recorded in the cash book will be taken under the adjusted cash book. Items that are not recorded in the cash book, right? That means things that is circled in the bank statement will be taken to here. Then thereafter, you must prepare the bank reconciliation statement. So in that case, you start with the adjusted cash book balance, then you add the unpresented checks, then you deducted the unrealized checks. Anything to clarify, Naveed?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Shall we see one of your O-level past paper?
Okay.
Right. See, this is 2024 O level. Question number 6 4. 2024 O level. Question number 6 4. Having 4 marks. Right. We'll read it. The favorable balance of the bank account. Favorable balance means it's a debit balance. Favorable mean debit balance. The favorable balance of the bank account of the Rizna's business is 45,000. It's a debit balance as at 31st December 2024. The balance of the bank statement on that day was 36,000. You can see as per our accounts, it's having a balance of 45,000. So bank is sending you the bank statement and they say, as per the bank statement, the balance is how much? 36,000. The reasons for the difference are given below. They have identified 4 reasons. Then they are asking, adjusting the balance of the bank account of the resource business as of 31st December 2024. They're asking you to prepare adjusted cash book. Then prepare in the bank reconciliation statement, right? So we'll prepare first adjusted cash book. Adjusted cash book. So to start the adjusted balance, they say the favorable balance of the bank account. This is our accounts. So it's a favorable mean debit. It's having a balance brought forward. Balance brought forward balance of 45,000. So you record on the debit because it's a favorable balance. Favorable mean it's debit. We'll see what are the things that's coming here. A check of 700, 750, 24,000 deposited in the bank in December was not, December has not been realized. So not been realized mean it's unrealized. The first one they talk about the unrealized. This is coming to bank reconciliation. This is unrealized. Unrealized check that goes to bank reconciliation statement. Then second, an insurance premium paid by the bank under the stand-in order 6,000. Stand-in order. Stand-in order will come here. It's a payment, therefore you must write on the adjusted cash book credit. So stand-in order payment. It's insurance. So value is 6,000. We haven't record. Now we are going to record it. Then, although the check of 82 double triple zero for 10,000 was issued to a creditor, it has been present. It has not been presented. Now see, it's unpresented. Unpresented. It has not been presented. Mean unpresented. This is comes to bank reconciliation again. So this is unpresented. Unpresented. That goes to bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation. Then the amount received from a debtor directly to the bank 11,000 are. So this is amount that has been received, not a payment. Debtor payment. So here debtors payment. The amount received. It's not a payment received. The received mean it's a debit. So all the receipts debit, payments are credited. Then you can easily get the closing balance of the adjusted cash book. So here 56 total. The difference. Adjusted balance carried down. Adjusted balance carried down. How much the gap? 56,000 minus 6,000 is 50,000. Here adjusted balance brought forward. Adjusted balance brought forward is 50,000. So adjusted cash book we have done. Then we need to prepare the reconciliation statement. So here bank reconciliation statement for the month of December 2024. Bank Bank reconciliation statement December 2024. This is again the general format of the bank reconciliation. You start with the adjusted cash book balance, then balance, same as previous question, balance as per adjusted cash book. It came how much? 50,000. Balance as per adjusted cash book is 50,000. Then, as I said earlier, you must plus here unpresented checks. Unpresented checks. How much the value of unpresented check? So here you have to refer the top information. So unpresented checks came 10,000. Unpresented check came 10,000. Then minus the unrealized check. Here unrealized check. Unrealized mean the balance, the check has not been, the funds has not been come to the bank account. The value is 24,000. Better you put the check number, right? Then you get the full marks, right? When you're writing the answers, better you put the check numbers as well, right? So here your answer came 36,000. It is tally. It is tally with the statement balance. See, the balance of the bank statement on that day was 36,000, right? It's tally. So if need, you can write here the check numbers. It's 700, 750. The other one is 82 double triple 04. 82 triple 04. So question done. Navin, anything to clarify?
No, sir.
Very good. So we'll do one more question. This is one of the definite question that will be tested in the paper. See, this is 2023. 2023 O level question number 6, 3, no 4. Question 6, 4. The following is the bank reconciliation statement prepared by a trainee accounts. When you read the word trainee account, there can be what? Lot of mistakes. See here, trainee account mean there can be lot of mistakes. Trainee accounts, right? Right, trainee account mean there can be a lot of mistakes. So therefore, the examiner will ask you to do the correction. Trainee accounts in a business as at 31st March 2024. Bank reconciliation statement is given here. So they have started with the bank account balance. Bank account balance 33,000. Then direct remittance from the debtor. Direct remittance from the debtor. Is it coming to reconciliation? No, it's wrong. That you will record in where? Adjusted cash book. In which side? Debit side. So you can see they have done a mistake here. This is goes to adjusted cash book. Adjusted cash book. Which side? You must record on the debit. Then check deposited but not realized. So the check deposited but not realized, it's not a plus figure. It's wrong. It's minus figure. Right? So this is wrong, but you must take it to the reconciliation statement, bank reconciliation. You must take bank reconciliation as a minus figure. Unrealized, what we did, it's a minus figure. Then bank loan installment, again, a payment. Payment they have taken to reconciliation, wrong. This you must take adjusted cash book. Adjusted cash book. Then charges for the checkbook, again, it's wrong. You must take it to the adjusted cash book. Check but not presented, you must take it to the reconciliation statement, but it won't be a minus figure, that will be a plus figure, right? But they have taken it as a minus figure, that's wrong. Then the balance as per bank statement may be wrong. They're asking adjusted bank account balance, then preparing the correct bank reconciliation. We'll copy these two formats. Adjusted cash book, then bank reconciliation statement. This is March 2024. So how much the balance as per the cash book? It's given here. Balance, bank account balance, it's here. Balance brought forward. Balance brought forward. Adjusted cash book balance, opening balance will be 33,000. Then what are things it's coming here? Direct remittance, it's a receipt. Direct remittance, it's a receipt. Debit to here, 13,000. It's a receipt, debit to here. Check deposited but not realized, it's not a positive figure, it's a minus figure here. Unrealized checks. It's 24,000. Unrealized check. Then bank loan installment, again, it's a payment here. Bank loan installment, it's a payment here, 5,000. Then charges for the checkbook also payment, checkbook charges. Checkbook charges, it's 1,000. Then check issued but not presented, it's to adjust a reconciliation statement as a positive figure. Unpresented checks. Unpresented mean we have given the check to the supplier, but those people haven't go to the bank for cash collection. The check has been issued from our end, but the person who took it have not go to the bank for collection. That is called unpresented checks, right? Take the meaning. Unpresented mean we have given it. Even though the check was given to them, they haven't go to the bank for collection. Unpresented, right? So here unpresented check value is how much? 15,000. That's it. So we'll balance it. Take the bigger total. It's here. This is 46. Bring the same here. Then the difference will be adjusted. Balance carried down. Adjusted balance carried down will be the difference. 46,000 minus 5,000 minus 1,000 is 40,000. Adjusted balance brought forward here the same value, 40,000. That balance we will be taking to the reconciliation here. Balance as per adjusted cash book. Balance as per adjusted cash book is how much? 40,000. Right? Then you do the pluses and minus, you can get the balance here. The corrected reconciliation balance 31,000. This is the balance as per bank statement. So they have done the reconciliation here, but it's totally wrong. This is the correct way. This is the correct answer. Right? This is the correct way. This is the correct answer. We can do one more question for the day. Easy one, 2022. Past paper 2022 O level question number 6-4. The favorable balance of the Seminis business was 38,000 as at 31st March 2023. As I said earlier, favorable mean debit, but can be unfavorable. Unfavorable mean it's not a debit balance, it's a credit balance, right? Unfavorable mean. Debit balance of the Bank of Semini was 38,000 31st March 2023. On the same day, the balance of the bank statement is 21,000. The reasons for the difference as follows. They have given a reasons asking us to prepare adjusted cash book and the bank reconciliation statement. Not hard. Right, we'll see. Opening balance is favorable balance 38,000. They say the favorable balance of the Seminis business was 38,000, 31st March 23. On the same day, the balance of the bank statement 21,000. Your correct answer should receive the answer 21,000 if you do it properly. We'll see whether the answer coming. The reasons for the difference was as follows. A check of 14,000 deposit during the month of March was not realized. We know that unrealized checks has to be deducted. The value is 14,000 minus 14,000. Unrealized mean again, we have deposit, the checking we have deposit to our current account, but the funds we haven't collected. Even though the deposit's done, the funds haven't collected it. It's on the float. It's on the float. Unrealized, right? Then bank loan installment 45,000 was paid by the bank on standing order. We haven't record here. Bank loan standing order. Right? Bank loan installment 45,000. Then a check of 15,000 issued to a creditor during the month of March was not presented to the bank. Unpresented checks. It's plus. Not presented to the bank 15,000. A debtor deposit 27,000 directly to the bank account for the business. It's a receipt here. Debtor deposit. Debtor's deposit. It's how much? 27,000. Then we can get the balance here, balance carried down. Then the adjusted cash book balance to here. Then you can get the closing balance, statement balance here, 21,000. The answers came correctly. Not hard. So if you understood the bank reconciliation, so this is an easy question. Not only from the second section, but there will be some MCQ coming on the first paper. If I show you some of the MCQ, right? If you go through the MCQ section, you can see some of the MCQ they have tested in the first section A. You can't leave the bank reconciliation chapter. Now see, it's given question number 28. The balance of the bank account of the Satsara business was 12,000 on 31st March 2023. So the balance of the bank account, on the same day, the bank statement was 9,000. Only one transaction affected to the difference. Now see, you can see the as per our records, the balance is 12,500. As per the statement, the records balance is 9,000. You can see a difference of 3,500. We are having a high balance 3,500, but the statement is having a low balance of 9,000. The difference is 3,000, right? We'll see the reasons for the difference. The amount of 3,500 spent directly to the bank account of the business by a debtor. If the debtor directly deposited 3,500, then the statement balance should be high. But the statement balance here is low. If a debtor deposit 3,500 to the bank account, the statement balance should be very high because we haven't wrote it, bank has written it. So in that case, the statement balance should be bigger than the cash book balance. Number one, wrong. A dividend income 3,500 sent directly to the bank account of the business. Again, the same. If you receive a 3,500 directly to the bank account as a dividend income, the statement should have a bigger balance. But here, statement is having not a bigger balance, it's having a smaller balance. How much is it? 9,000. Right? So the cash book having the bigger balance, not the statement having bigger balance. Right? 3. Third one, a check of 3,500 issued to a creditor by the business and not presented to the bank. Again, if it's unpresented, the statement should have a bigger balance. But here, statement having a low balance, so that is not the answer. That's also wrong, right? If it's unpresented, the statement can't have a bigger balance. Statement can't have a bigger, if it's an unpresented check, statement should have a bigger balance. But here, statement have a lower balance. That means it is not the answer. The next one, a check of 3,500 that we read it. Electricity bill 3,500 paid the bank on stand-in order. That is the correct answer. You have you have paid an electricity bill as a stand-in order, but you haven't recorded. You haven't recorded mean your balance is high. The statement they have charged it. The statement having low balance. So the correct answer is this one. So you must look at this type of question. You must practice lot of question on the paper. Otherwise, the exams will be very hard. Here, the correct answer came the last one. Right, Naveen, anything to clarify from you?
No, sir.
Right, with that, I will be finishing for the day. Right, I'll be sharing the PDF today. PDF I'll be sharing within few seconds. You can see from in the group. Right, with that, then we'll finish for the day, Naveen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good night. See you. Anything you can talk to me, yeah? My
Okay.
WhatsApp number, you can take it from here. This is your school group. So I'm here,
Okay, sir.
right? You take my number and you talk to me anytime. So I'm ready to help you all.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then see you. Good night.
Good night, sir.